great. This is Manpreet. I hope every one of you are fine, doing good, brimming with positivity, और आप सब अपनी mental health का ध्यान रख रहे हैं and also of the people around you. So, it is very great to know that आज in the light of recent events जो कि एक हफ्ते में 2 हफ्ते में हुए हैं, people have come forward. वो आगे आए हैं, अपनी stories share कर रहे हैं, अपने problem share कर रहे हैं. They have started speaking up about their psychological disorders or mental illnesses. साथ ही साथ बहुत लोगों ने have taken a very great step of listening to others, जिसको हम बोलते हैं they have lent a ear to others to listen to their problems. Though it is a very great initiative, हमें एक piece of information realize करनी चाहिए that listening and hearing are two different things. जब हम किसी इंसान को when we are listening, it is important कि हम उसको non-judgmental होकर पहले सुने, ज़्यादा advice ना दें because sometimes advice is not required but just listening calmly is required, patiently is required. और साथ ही साथ sympathetic होकर ना सुने, empathetic होकर सुने. If you feel he is not okay, he or she is not okay, तो उनको sympathy नहीं देनी है, उन्हें बताना है that you require a professional help. So let's move forward. So recently only Men's Mental Health Awareness Week has passed. So हम आज का टॉपिक वही होगा that men feel pain और मर्द को दर्द होता है. According to American Psychological Society, traditional masculinity ideology prevails globally, जिसकी वजह से men fail to express their emotions, क्योंकि उन्हें कहा जाता है कि man up, be tough, be macho, be strong, आप रो नहीं सकते, you have to be like a mountain, every time strong and tough. And कहीं ना कहीं male society is affected by it and they do not cry, they do not easily express their emotions. As girls हमें कहीं ना कहीं इस चीज का privilege है that we can cry, we can vent out all our emotions. But male society को ये privilege नहीं मिलता है, क्योंकि हम ये realize नहीं कर पाते हैं we as humans have same heart, have same mind, और हमारा अंदर के जो mental conflicts हैं, inner struggles हैं, वो उतने ही matter करते हैं जितने की female से करते हैं. For an example, if I say oxygen हमें भी उतना ही चाहिए जितना कि males को चाहिए. Similarly, venting out the emotions, crying and mental health is as important for male society as it is important for female society. तो एक जो जेंडर सर्टिफिकेट होता है ना that you are a female, you are a girl, अच्छा you can cry और आपको mental illness हो सकता है, लेकिन having a gender certificate of being male does not makes you immune of mental illness. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपके अगर if you are a male आपको mental illness से आप immune हो, आपको नहीं हो सकता है. और when men do not vent out their emotions, when they try to be strong due to the societal stigma, they go on the wrong path like drug abuse, self-harm, and there are many mental illnesses they suffer from. And according to reports, male society में suicide cases, depression cases 3.5 times ज़्यादा होते हैं as compared to the female society. What we have to do is become language sensitive. जो हम बोलते हैं उस पर ध्यान देना है. For an example, if a boy is crying, हम क्या बोलेंगे? लड़की की तरह रो रहा है, ओहो लड़की की तरह चल रहा है, ओहो लड़की की तरह हरकतें करता है, और the word we use is ये नामर्द है. And this somewhere pinches them or the person who is listening, और उनको कहीं ना कहीं वो हिट करते हैं. They do not vent out their emotion क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि उनकी masculinity question होगी. They will become less of a man maybe, but that is absolutely not true. So become language sensitive, acknowledge their feelings, सुनो उनको without judging them. Mind you, without judging them. What we have to do is create a safe space for them, and for male society to create a safe space inside them, that it is okay to vent out the emotions. Create a safe space. Tell them what they mean to you, tell them they matter to you, and tell them be kind to yourself. Try not to judge them on their masculinity when they vent out their emotions. Hence, also show some positive affirmations to them. For male society, it is important to realize venting out your emotions, bringing your problems outside and your weakness outside is the biggest strength, क्योंकि हर कोई ये चीज नहीं कर पाता है. Only few who have power and awareness of their emotions can do that. दूसरों को मास्टर करना एक बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है, but when we master ourselves, that is its superpower. So today, let's pledge that we will go to our fathers, to our brothers, to our male friends and tell them कि वो हमारे लिए matter करते हैं. They matter to us and it's okay to not be okay. It's okay to express the feelings और वो कहीं भी उनकी masculinity decrease नहीं करता है. Give them the positive affirmations through your conversations and through your actions. Alright? Because the छोटे-छोटे steps can make a lot of difference, remember. And so repeat after me. A man can cry, a man should cry. A man has emotions, a man should express emotions. A man can suffer from mental illness, a man should take professional advice if required. Alright? So, be mentally fit, take care of people around you and remember, men feel pain and मर्द को दर्द होता है. And so if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment because it's free, and stay tuned till next video. Till then, bye bye.